Hey.
What's up, man?
All I need you to do is tell me a word that makes you think of your brother and Allison.
If I were to pick one word, for Scott, it would probably be loyal. Allison, she's just a giver.
Is this where I tell what I'm gonna make? Do y'all wanna know what I'm actually gonna do here?
Tell us what you're gonna make. Tell
Okay.
the people want to know.
It's gonna be a table runner, and I wanna have words embroidered on it that are them, that embody who this family is, according to the people that know them best.
Scott, I would say Scott is bold.
He is very hilarious.
Okay.
It's easier for someone who loves you to talk about you than it is for you to talk about yourself.
For Allison, I think of her and I think of Kira.
I would say that she is very dependable. And then as a couple, I picked a couple word for them. I just think that they are very faithful.
When their whole family comes for these holiday dinners that are so important to Scott and Allison, they're gonna see these words that they use to describe the people they love. That's what's gonna make this table runner an heirloom.
Can I change my word for Scott to good looking? He's probably the best looking guy I know.
This table runner. So we talked to the people who love you the most. We asked for one word to describe y'all, and these are the words that they gave. And I just felt like celebrating the fruits of the Hennett spirit would be a nice way to make this dining room yours. I can't talk when I cry. Go, Zeus!
Here we go.
Let's go, buddy.
He's ready.
Go to your room, buddy.
Hey, you wanna go in your room? Come on.
Go see your
Let's see
room.
what we got. Bro. Rad. Oh, this is awesome.
Check this out, Zeus.
There you go.
What do you think?
Yep.
You like it?
You like this?
Maybe we should have put a little
Exploring
rug pad
everything?
under there.
This was dead on. His room's better than any room I've ever
know.
had. I'll never get any sleep with all these toys in here.
The squeaky crocodile is hilarious.
Speaking of toys, open up that top skinny cabinet.
Shoot, it's a laundry chute.
Shoot
Exactly.
yeah.
Shoot, yeah, it is.
That's perfect. That's legit. I like that. That's awesome.
So we can leave Zeus in here, but he can still be a part of the party.
Oh, you Dutched it.
This is a Danish door.
Oh, you Danish.
This is a really great feature, maybe even like a Great Dane feature.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
We can go all day,
Go all
y'all.
day. We can stay here.
Why don't we show Michael upstairs? You're gonna
You
hang
can
out in your
stay
room.
down here.
Yeah, you just
hang out
enjoy
in your
this
room.
area.
Do you like your door?
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
See you, buddy.
This is amazing. Are those my grandmamas?
Yeah.
Y'all, wow. Those are beautiful.
She's incredible.
She's incredible.
You know what this is?
I do know, that's a blueberry cobbler.
Yeah, it is. From your grandmother's blueberries.
No way?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Incredible. It's everything I dreamed of and more.
Good.
I still don't know that I've processed it all yet. There's a lot to explore here, a lot of details that I'm excited to see. And
This is amazing.
Oh yeah.
Erin doesn't even like blueberries.
I'm not much of a sweet eater. But it's good.
it's always good.
It's so good.
Yep.
So what you're smelling is the cottage candle that we made in your honor. Oh wow. You know, we've just opened up the scent library and we have this candle that we developed specifically for you based on a conversation we had with your nieces and nephew.
Oh, wow.
We asked them, tell us things about Cornice and Mike that give you the sweetest memories. What are the things, if you can think of a scent that makes you think of the love you felt when you spent time with them? And they said your lemon sugar cookies that you make at Christmas, that's what love smelled like to them.
Oh my
Very
gosh.
good.
Oh,
And it's lemon zest and vanilla. So
Oh,
they were so wonderful to get to meet, and they
Very
love
good.
y'all so much.
thank you so much. We were really honored to be in their lives, yeah.
It's hard to even describe, just knowing that our children played a role in developing this scent, and this is going to be such a wonderful memory for
Yeah.
us.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
You like
That's
it?
amazing. No, I love it. I love you, Dad. Oh. Am I allowed to give hugs?
You can.
I want one too.
You get one, brother.
Well, McLean, do you see the thing I left for you on the porch?
Lion.
Yes.
The lion,
The
yeah.
lion is there for you.
Who's that? Yeah.
We kept the line, we cleaned it up and painted it.
That is unbelievable. Look at that front door. Oh my God.
So the front door and the windows on the sun porch were all custom built for your house.
Unbelievable.
The house got painted. I want to show you something special in the breakfast room.
Wow. Oh my God. Man. Everybody's here, but everybody's not here, buddy. Yeah. This is amazing.
Caitlin Bryant painted that for you. She does modern portraiture like this, but this is the first time she's ever done 6 portraits on one canvas.
That's unbelievable.
All right, so who is who?
Mara, who's that?
Me.
Montana, Maui, Miranda, and Mikey.
Yeah.
McLean. Who's the best looking one up there?
All of them.
All of them.
Dang. Good answer. It's tough when everybody's all over the country. So that portrait in the breakfast room is a small thing. It's not the same as having them all here, but it is a great reminder that they're never far away.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's beautiful! It looks so different!
What is that kiss? I'm shaking.
It is so pretty. Good. I love it.
I'm so glad.
Absolutely love it. Beautiful.
It's sweat. It's hot in here.
Your eyes are sweating. Even my eyes are sweating.
The exterior, the paint changed the world, I think, as far as the way it has a presence that it didn't have before.
Yes. It's like buttermilk. It's beautiful.
Buttermilk.
It's so bright. The house before was like set way far back.
Yes.
I feel like the color just brought it up like 100 feet.
Getting to know you told us so much about what this house should feel like.
Yes.
You know what? Honestly, the way people dress tells us a little about what their house should look like. Are you wearing that sea glass necklace you showed me?
Of course, all the time.
And your daughter made that for you.
Yes.
And that inspired your bathroom design.
Come on.
What?
Oh my.
My. Wow.
Will that work?
Oh my word.
way.
It's perfect. And look at the tile.
It's the tile.
It's the tile.
It reminded me of the story of your sea glass necklace that your daughter made.
Absolutely. It's perfect.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Wow.
Matches perfect.
Yeah.
I'm glad you remembered.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I just can't even believe what I'm looking at.
That's okay.
How is this the same house?
Exactly.
Like, I don't even know where I am. I can't get over it. All of it is so amazing, and it's just really hard to process that this is the same house. Oh my gosh.
We wanted to make sure your grandfather was here for it.
Walking in and seeing the picture of my grandfather is just really sweet, and just a touch that most people wouldn't really think about including. They were the ones that owned the bookstore that I worked at, and we lost him earlier this year. So it's just really sweet to have a piece of him in this house.
And
yeah, it's so pretty. It's just, it feels like me. I don't know how y'all did it, but it's amazing.
I've always loved this tree.
For when your nieces
swings.
and nephews come to visit.
That is totally cool. Is that my granddad?
Mr. Walter, your grandfather, he came to the shop. He brought me this piece of wood, turned this piece of wood into a shape, then we sliced it in half. He signed them, then we sealed the whole thing with a marine varnish.
That is so cool, man.
It will be there as long as these are here. So his great-grandchildren will be able to swing on these, and they'll always see his name there.
Man, thanks, man. To have my grandfather's signature in these swings means a lot to me because I have a part of him here with me. That took me back. I wasn't expecting that, and it was absolutely fantastic.
Do you want to swing? You want to check it out?
Heck yeah, I want to swing, man.
Your house gives me like childhood kid energy.
This is probably the first time I've swung since I was a child.
And now you can do it every morning while you have coffee.
I'm definitely getting some mileage out of these, that's for sure.
I think Brandon's gonna be real happy here.
I do too.
Yeah.
This is gonna be, I think, a good chapter in his life.
What you think, Granddad?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. What?
Surprise!
Wait, is that
That
from
came
their
from my
house?
mom's house?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's your grandfather's piano. I hear you want to teach the kids how to play the piano, so now you can.
You've now taken two things from my past and making it my future and my baby's future, and it's just,
Oh, you got it.
it's perfect.
I love a piano in a dining room. It feels like the place for celebration, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. The times we make music with our families when we're growing up are times we don't forget.
So this is the Ross house.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. This is freaking awesome. Can I go in?
No, come back.
No, you cannot. Come here. We got to talk about it. What do you love?
Everything about it. Y'all like took everything that I literally wanted and like made it a dream come true. My stomach is like flipping right now.
Don't throw up.
Yeah, please don't throw up right
It'll
now.
probably be great for the ratings, though. So if you need to throw up.
This is like perfect.
Good.
The door. Mustard yellow, baby.
That's the thing you're excited about. I love a little bit of mustard too, and you said that you liked it in, small doses, so I thought the doors and windows would be a fun place for it. What's the first thing you're gonna do? Like, who's coming over?
My mom.
Yeah, she's gonna freak out.
She's gonna freak out.
It's a big deal.
It's a big deal.
It's a really
First
big
home.
deal.
I need a moment.
That's okay.
It's like perfect.
It is pretty perfect.
I like got all these emotions going on right now.
Your first home, and for this to be your first home?